Our Bible verse for today is about prayer. John 15:7 says, "If you remain in me and my words remain in you, ask whatever you wish and it will be given you." In Tagalog po, kung nananatili kayo sa akin at nananatili sa inyo ang aking mga salita, hilingin ninyo ang anumang nais ninyo at ipagkakaloob ito sa inyo. John 15:7 promises that if we abide in Jesus and His words dwell in us, our prayers will align with His will, ensuring they are answered. By staying deeply connected to Him through prayer, our desires transform to match His, resulting in a fruitful life that glorifies God. May we live a new life